11 paddlers down of the 50, so still a long way to go. Looking for the top 30. Michaela Corcoran, famous family, US-based, competes for Ireland. Sister Madison competed in the C1 in Paris. Dad, Olympian 2 times, 92 and 96.
It is pretty incredible, actually, in this sport, how many people have parents or even grandparents who have competed. Looking very nice there at main wave. That was a good spin.
Like many athletes, coming out early to acclimatise, get ready for the conditions here following the completion of the World Cup season. Studied biochemistry at the University of Miami. So Michaela, 21st in Paris in this discipline. That time 1:15.62, third fastest.